My name's Katie, I'm a professional makeup artist and this is my best mate, also called
Katie. I don't think I'm the only one here, but especially with menopause, perimenopausal skin, my skin has lost its luster, its glow, and it's very dull. And I really want to find a way that I can actually really push that glow back out again and make me feel a bit more confident.
We're teaching you how to get beautiful, glowy, dewy skin when you're over the age of 40. If you find your cleanser really just isn't giving you the best skin of your life, you need to try this one. It's filled with natural enzymes, and that means when you use it, it actually starts to not only break down the grime, the makeup from the day, but it also starts to break down any dead skin cells.
Oh, yeah.
When you're sloughing off those dead skin cells, it's helping the rest of your skincare work a lot harder. If you're not taking off those dead skin cells, what you'll find is that all your other skincare is just going to sit on top of those old dead skins. You want to remove them so that your skincare can really soak in and penetrate deeper.
Yeah.
When you get good skin, you don't need as much foundation. It's that simple. And this is your first step into achieving that. And found this really stunning sheer to buildable coverage foundation. It's no makeup. This foundation has amazing skincare properties in it. This foundation will treat your skin whilst you wear it. It will also protect your skin with an SPF 25. I'm going to put a little bit on your hand. You don't need a lot, probably about that much. Put it on with your fingers. Doesn't need any fancy brushes because your fingers warm up the foundation really nicely. And I'm going to give you some tips on how to apply foundation in a really easy way. Always start off when you apply your foundation, applying to the areas where you feel you need the most coverage first. Now, typically for most women, it's under the eyes, it's around the nose, it's around the chin, and a little bit in the middle of the forehead. Now, when you apply in these areas, take your ring finger and just pat. Pat where you need the most coverage. And then once you've pat in, you're going to blend in a specific way. We want the majority of the foundation coverage in these areas here. When you perfect these areas on your face, you will get a perfected look with any foundation. You're just going to pat onto your eyes so you get the most amount of coverage this way, because when you wipe like this, not only are you kind of being too rough on your delicate under eye area, but you're also shearing out the product. But typically we want more coverage under our eyes, so we want to pat. And what that does, it pushes more of that product in. Whereas when you wipe like this, you'll see the difference. You shear it out. So this is where I've wiped and this is where I've patted. So if you're someone like me that has dark circles, that patting motion really does help. You have rosacea, pat it into that rosacea, and then you can just blend out the edges. The genius formula with this foundation means that it blurs imperfections. So if you're someone that worries about fine lines, wrinkles, you know, this isn't going to make them disappear, but it's certainly going to blur the look of them. This is almost like a beauty filter. It's skincare meets foundation meets an SPF 25.
It feels really light.
Oh,
it does feel very light.
It feels so light. Once I've put it on, I'll then sort of massage it around my jawline just to make sure it's all in. And then I'm going to put a little bit on my eyelids, just a touch.
Yeah, because my eyelids tend to be quite red too.
Yeah, take down any redness. You'll see how natural this foundation looks. So I'm still blending it, but you can see very, very natural. It gives a lovely, can you see that sheen? It really does make the skin look very dewy, very, very natural. If you're someone that doesn't like the look of foundation, you're going to like this because it really does give you your skin, but just on a really, really good day. Next up is a bronzer and a blush in a beautiful dewy cream formulation. Now, You could be thinking, I'll skip this bit because I don't wear bronzer and I don't wear blusher. But I'm here to tell you, as a makeup artist of over 25 years experience, that when women over the age of 40 wear both blusher and bronzer, it transforms not only how sculpted your bone structure looks, but how lifted and alive your complexion looks. The magic formula is when you wear both together, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you just how. When we've perfected our skin, we want to bring a sculpted look back in, because otherwise our skin looks beautiful, but where's the dimension? When we increase the dimension, it adds back such a youthful brilliance to the complexion.
Yeah, that sort of flush as well.
It really does. So we're going to use these two. Katie, I'm going to teach first of all, and then you'll go and copy after. So the first thing you'll need is your fingers, very simple. And we're going to take our ring finger and we're going to firstly apply the bronzer on our lid and into our socket.
I wasn't expecting that.
This gives a very subtle little eye lift, especially if you have a hooded eye. You can see the difference already. Very natural, but look how lifted that looks. And all I've done is use my ring finger and this. Let's do the other side. And you'll notice that when you use bronzer in your socket, it makes the rest of your bronzer look really natural because it's marrying up the rest of the bronze colour on your face. So now let's take these two fingers. You're going to smile and you're going to go from the back of your face here and you're going to sweep in like that. Does not have to look perfect. You can see that doesn't look perfect. Then you're going to make sure your fingers are now clean and you're just going to blend up into your cheekbone. It's going to give you a beautiful sculpted cheekbone.
You can see that already.
Can you see?
Yeah.
This is the side without and this is the side with. Now I might want to perfect that just a little bit. Very quick and easy to do. The reason I go from the back of my face is because when you want to create that sculpted look, you want more depth of colour towards the back, okay? This is where my cheekbone is, up here. You can feel your cheekbone with your finger. And then with clean fingers, I'm blending up into that bone. The reason I'm not blending down is because that's going to drag my face down. So I'm blending up into and onto that cheekbone area. I'm going to take a little bit more and I'm just going to run this along my jawline. And then I'm going to blend it down into my jaw. This is going to strengthen your jawline. Okay, so you can see this is before, this is after.
I like that.
So again, these two fingers go from the back, swipe across, does not have to look neat, and then just blend. As long as you're not blending it upwards, you're blending it downwards into your neck. And then many of us have this part here, which always almost lights up like a light bulb.
Yeah.
Just turn off the lights. Because this is a cream, I'm going to put it on the... I have quite a big forehead. Katie, you're not going to do this because you've got a baby forehead. But if you have a big forehead, like I do, just put it around the edges and that's just going to kind of narrow my forehead in. Katie, I'm going to give this for you to do.
Don't forget your other eye.
I've done the other eye.
Oh, you did both.
You didn't see. No, whilst you do that, I'm going to use my blush.
Okay, I'll do this one and you do blush.
So make sure your fingers are clean. And then you're going to go in with this blush. Now this is a pinky peach. A pinky peach, so it works on everyone. The best place for your blusher when you're over the age of 40 is right on the corner of your cheekbone. And to find that corner, you're going to smile. You're going to go down from the edge of your iris and here. It's just where your cheekbone starts to pop here. Tap it on and then with a clean finger, blend it upwards and out towards the top of your ear. When you want to blend, always make sure you blend with a clean finger. Very, very natural. Let's do the other side. Clean finger, blend in little swirly motions up towards the top of the ear. Katie, that looks fantastic on you. Yeah, and also, Katie, I know without your glasses, you really struggle with applying makeup. So the fact that you can get that looking so good
in such a quick
in
amount
such
of
a
time.
quick amount of time
Yeah.
without your glasses shows how easy it is.
I must say that I've never used a cream bronzer before. That's really
so
easy.
easy. Now I'm also going to apply this to my lips.
Oh, that's nice. I suppose it's cream as well. It's
It's
really
creamy
easy.
and it just brings the whole face to life. Katie,
Yeah.
you're going to go in with the
Edge
blush.
of the cheek.
Amazing. Oh my gosh, Katie, that looks so
I'm a
good.
makeup artist.
That looks so good. Katie, you know when we did the little eye lift with the bronzer?
Yeah.
So I've got a mascara that makes your eyes look super lifted. Perfect if you're someone that feels like their eyes are hooding.
When you've got quite a natural look, having mascara just gives it that little...
Oh, it really does. This gives you the longest smudge-free lashes, quite possibly of your life. The trick is not to wipe the wand because you'll end up wiping off the lash extensions that are in this formula and adhere to your lashes. Plus, I've designed it perfectly for contact lens wearers. So you don't have to worry about anything dropping in your eye.
nothing drops out.
Nothing. So let me show you before your eyes just how long this mascara makes your lashes. When you find a mascara that's smudge proof and you have eyes that are hooding, it's a game changer because we want our lashes to look really long because that's going to give us much more of an open eye look, but we don't want our lashes to smudge on our hoods. So I like to really focus a lovely amount on the root and then just almost blink onto the wand and let the mascara do the work for you. Look how long my lashes have become just with one coat. And I love to build out on the outer corners to create really long length. So it really opens and lifts the eye. I'm going to do a second coat and it's simply blinking onto the wand and letting the mascara and the tiny lash particles in this mascara formulation do the work for you. You do not need to be an expert. Look at that.
I mean, it's insane, isn't it? What is
What?
happening? What is happening?
What is this magic? So many women don't apply mascara to the lower lash line because they're worried about the smudging. But when you apply mascara to your lower lashes, it creates the most prettiest open doe eye effect.
Because when we were trying this, you were saying, because I never wore mascara on my bottom lashes because it just smudged so easily. And then when we were trying this, you were like, just try it. And not one bit of movement, no budging, no panda eyes. I mean, it really is incredible.
Stay put all day. My biggest advice is do not wipe the wand. If you find your wand does get cloggy, then just get a tissue and wipe it like that. But do not scrape off on the edges because you're just scraping off all the lash particles in this and it makes it not work how it should work.
Yeah, because that's where the magic is, isn't it?
Look.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi. Are we ready for the next product? Because it does get even better. This next product, Katie, is a radiance booster. Now this you could wear under your makeup, but today we're going to wear it over our makeup. This is a multi-use, multi-purpose radiance booster that lifts your entire skin and bone structure on no makeup days and makeup days.
It really does what it says on the tin, doesn't it?
It really does. Now, we've been using this for a year and we are obsessed.
Yeah.
Okay, so tiny little bit on the back of your hand. This works on every single skin tone. Then you're going to dab a little bit like that on the tips of your fingers. Tap on the top of your cheekbone. This is going to make your bone structure come to life. It's going to give you a beautiful, radiant looking skin. And I'm going to put a little bit down the centre of my nose.
This is when people say to you, oh, what have you done? What have you done differently?
Yes.
You know, or you look really well.
Yes. Put a little bit on your brow bone. Cupid's bow. centre of your lips, and you see how throughout the day your skin is just going to take on this beautiful, dewy, radiant look. Yes, Katie, that looks
just
beautiful.
gives it that glassy look. Do you know when
It
you
does.
just that really young looking skin?
You can see on Katie's cheekbone, can you see it picks up the light here, and then where we put on the bronzer and the blush, it really does just bring your whole complexion to life. So we've got this amazing dewy skin, Katie. Now we're going to really amp up the juiciness and volume of our lips.
Yep.
And we're going to use this gloss here. When you see it, go on.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It has a lovely strawberry smell to it.
Okay, it's more of a serum than a gloss, isn't it?
This is like a serum lip treatment that makes your lips look incredible. If you're someone that likes lip balm, that likes a lip serum, you're going to love this. It's a lip treatment that you wear throughout the day, but it makes your lips feel incredible, but look really beautiful and glowy. Katie, every time you wear this one,
I love it.
oh!
It feels like it's treating your lips as well, which is what I really like about it.
And it really is treating your lips. But you can see it's a very natural look, but it just gives that pretty little kind of pop to our lips. I hope you've loved this, learning this routine. We've had great fun teaching you. If you want to see anything, see anything in more detail, read about it, see it on different skin tones, you'll find it all in the link below. Thank you so much for watching. We really, really do appreciate it. And see you soon in another video.
Yeah, I hope to see you soon. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Use code 20 for 20% off any 3 makeup must-haves for women 40+. In my store, Beauty and the Boutique.